Hi guys, welcome to the day 3 of yoga for a flat belly. So let's get into something comfy. Let's get started. Let's get down on our belly today. Let's tone that belly. Let's keep the elbows right underneath the shoulders. Open up the chest. Take a breath in and exhale. One more breath in and breathe out completely. Just tuning in a little bit, maintaining that awareness in the body and the breath. Slowly bring the hands where your elbows were. Inhale, come up a little bit. Open up the chest, open up the shoulders. Let the shoulders be away from the ears. Just moving back, navel a little above the floor, off the floor. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, come a little up, twist a little bit to the right. See if you can look at your right heel and then see if you can bend, twist a little more, look at the left heel. Inhale, come up, shoulders away from the ears. Twist and see if you can look at your left heel and then see if you can look all the way to your right heel. Inhale, come up. Once more, to the right we twist. Inhaling to the center, exhaling to the left. And inhale to the center. Slowly exhale, come down. Hands are just underneath the shoulders right now. Inhale, come up. And exhale, bring the head down on the ground. Once more. Inhale, lift up, bring the legs together. Exhale, come down. In case they are not together, bring the legs, zip them up, close. Use your legs, use your back muscles as you come up. Inhale, come up. Now take your hands off the mat, see how much you can come. So all the muscles that are engaged right now, we keep all of those muscles engaged. And now using the hands, come up a little more. And exhale, down. Once more, inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Now see if you can point the toes into the mat. And slowly just come up all the way into the upward dog. The shoulders are away from the ears. See if you can still maintain a smile on the face. Keep breathing. Feel that stretch in the belly. Feel that massaging of the internal organs. Feel the belly getting toned nicely here. If it's too difficult, you can let the knees be down on the ground, but if possible, manage the weight of the body on the hands and on the feet. Bring the knees down. Take the hips back. And exhale. Come into the Ashtanga Namaskar. Hips are off the ground. Point the toes into the mat again. Inhale. Coming up into Bhujangasana. Again. Going back. Take the hips back. Exhale. Coming into the Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale again. Stretch up. Come on your elbows once more. And now lift up your right leg off the ground. And bring it down. Left leg off the ground and down. Right, down. Lift it all the way up to the thigh. And down. Right, down. Left, 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 down. Right, left. Inhale. Exhale. You can do a little slower now. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhaling up, exhale down, but with total control. Inhaling left up, exhaling left down. Inhale up, exhale down. So from the hips up, the body is quite stable. Only the legs are moving, and when you move the legs, you will also feel that engagement in the core as well. Continue, just 3 more. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Exhale down. Inhale up and down. Bring the head down. Bring the hands by the sides of the body. Inhale and exhale. You can let the chin rest on the ground. Inhale and exhale totally. Now inhale, lift the upper body. Come up as much as you can. Lift the hands up and lift the feet also up. And come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, 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 down. Inhale, and this time hold it over there. Keep breathing. Now gently bend the legs at the knees. See if you can hold your ankles. Balance on your stomach. You can even move a little front and back. Enjoy a little bit. Massage your tummy nicely. See if you can bring your knees closer. Here you balance on the navel. Stay here. Keep breathing. Inhale, and slowly as you exhale, come down. Gently bring the hands once more underneath the shoulders, and this time just slide the hands a little back so that your edge of your palm is close to your last rib. Now point the toes into the mat, keeping the knees down. Slowly come up, and now gently come down. Again, lift up. If Chaturanga is in your practice, you can come all the way up and gently hug the elbows in, hold and go down. Once again, inhale, stretch, point the toes, come up, exhale, down. Inhale, come up, pointing the toes into the mat, come into plank, Chaturanga, down. Inhale. If you can do upward dog as well. And slowly go back. Relax in the Shavasana, the child's pose. Hips are rested on the heels, toes are together, heels are apart. Head is resting down on the ground. If you're not able to touch the head to the floor, you can keep one fist on top of the other and just rest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We'll say Om once. Breathe in. Om. Relax totally in the posture. If you feel like, you may repeat this video once more after 1 or 2 minutes, or you may continue to rest and relax for how much ever time you need. We hope you enjoyed today's practice. Do let us know in the comments below how it was for you. May you stay fit and calm.